Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Moves. My name is Alexandros, with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus, and once again welcome, but this time not to a salsa move, to an advanced bachata move. Head roll, head roll, head roll, head roll. That's actually one of the most difficult things. You don't want to hurt your partner. My partner actually warmed up minimum of 10 minutes of moving slowly and massaging. I massage also her neck from up and down, so she's ready to do this. So please warm up your neck before we start doing these head rolls. If you like to see this with music, some of you are passing this and you don't hear me say it, but I always have it with music. The lesson sometimes is different if it's a big combination, so I don't make big videos. You can find it in the info card and the first link in the description, so you can also learn and see how it is when you dance to it with the music. Now let's start with the lesson. Alright, I'm moving backwards because we're going to come all the way to the front of the camera towards the end of the move, so I want you to have a full perspective. Let's start off with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can hold on like this or a regular hold, but I think closer is better. Now you can go from down up and place it on the shoulder, alright? But it's better if you go from up down and you hug yourself. This will give you a better opportunity to walk around the adios move, how we call it in Spanish for salsa, of moving around the lady. Now, some of you might not need explaining if you are advanced or intermediate dancers, but we have to pull away from each other. I feel her body weight away from me, and everything is turning around me very non-stop and equilibrium. Okay? If you're having a stop while you're turning, that means you're doing this and you're wobbling. Alright? So let's take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I know you can't see through my partner's thick curly hair, but what I'm actually doing here is at the end of the base of the lady's head, her skull, I put the two tip of my fingers on the left side and the other two on the right side. Don't grab her head, please don't grab her face. You're dancing with other people, just back here. And my fingers, I relax them so they can flex. Then I push the lady to lean like she has water in her ear, and I'm like, let me help you get that out. Then she does a full circle back, then to her left, then to the front, then to the right. Then another one. Yes, there is a second one. And believe it or not, there's going to be a third one. But that happens while we're going around, guys. So when we're here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we start, as we're going around, to drop the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see 2 circles, 2 head rolls. Now she's ready to dip again. I'm going to bend my knees like we're doing the regular dip back. Okay, but instead of that, I'm going to continue to give the lady another head roll to her right, to the left. Stop her diagonally. Now I'm going to use my finger to give her one head roll here. Lift it up, keeping her looking to her left side with the fingers. And I'm not really snapping her head, guys. I'm really using part of my body. You see, she already turns. So very softly with the fingers here or here, I just push a little bit on 7 or on 8. On 7, 8, it might be a little bit stronger. And you also can do the head too to come together. I know this was an over-explanation and we still have a lot of work to do, but guys, this is very important so you don't damage your lady. I'm going to do it one time continuously so you see how it flows, because it's another video with the music. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okie dokie. Rewind it, because I'm going to kill my partner doing this over and over. Now you're going to do a body wave. And at the same time, you're going to bring this hand around and place it also on your shoulder. So at the same time you're doing the body wave, rakata, ki-ki-ti-ta. Then 2 beats, lift up one shoulder, 2 beats, lift up the other one. So if we're counting it from here, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can't see what I actually did from this angle, so I'll do it from this. I just lean the lady, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can also put your knee there and touch and help her to come back. It depends. Alright, again from here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now circular to her right, to her back, to her left, to the front. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Next part, Wing Chun move. We bring first the right, then the left, then the right, then the left up. Practice it with me. Now you have to try to do this while you're going into basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Both hands turn the lady together up. 5, 6, 7. We pass the elbow so we can go 8 over the lady's head. 8. I might be explaining a bit faster, but because we are advanced, these ones we don't need so much. Now here comes the tricky part. A basic to the side while you're turning backwards to the right, guys. And keep your hand to the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see I already placed my hand here so I can slide. 5, 6, together, 8. I'm going to body wave and push her hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like she's doing it, but I'm actually doing it myself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab the lady from the elbow, lift up the elbow, and you see what happens to her shoulder? Drop her back and up. Alright? Then we give the lady a full turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6 the lady turns. 7, 8 you turn. Don't lose that connection. 5, 6, 7, 8. You should end up with distance because now you want to take that elbow joint and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back to your basic. And back to your basic. And as always, don't close that video. Let's do it from the beginning. Don't say, oh my God, you know you want to practice. Come on, up, up. Take your partner. 5, 6, from the top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and over the head. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and grab. 5 and 6 and 7, change. Right to right, the turn. The lady, the guy. Shaka-da-da-da. 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2. 5 and 6. 7, 8. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this one challenging. If you don't want to do the whole combination and you found only one small part that you like, put something of your own routine before it and finish it with something of your own routine and you will have your own combination and styling being developed. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Remember, if you like to support us, we have our Patreon for a very small monthly fee. And if you like, you can also support with a one-time donation. We have a PayPal safe link in the description. Thank you very much again for watching. See you on the next video.